Hey, it's Aubrey. If you guys are new here, hi and welcome. So I'm going to be sharing with you guys some of my favorite products from Amazon. These are my top 5 Amazon home finds that I have come across this year for my home, and I'm absolutely loving them. These are some of my best finds so far, and I want to share them with you guys. So I purchased 2 of these bronze golden frames. These are from Amazon from Golden State. This is matted for an 8x10 size and an 11x14 frame. I absolutely love this. I love the detailing that it has all along the edge. I bought 2 of these for my powder bathroom. I wanted to hang some artwork above my toilet, and it just works so perfectly. I loved the price on them. They weren't too badly. They're very affordable, but I love these. These were only $21.99 for 1 frame, and they do come in 2 other different colors as well. So if you guys are looking for a really good quality frame, something that has just a little bit of that vintage antique detailing like this one does, definitely check this one out. I think it's beautiful, and it just adds that perfect little, just a little touch of vintageness to my powder bathroom, and they worked great. I just paired up one of my simple paintings in here, and I just love the way it turns out. The next item that I want to show you guys that I've been really loving are these 2 cutting boards. These are an artisanal kitchen neutral wood cutting boards. They come in a pack of 2, and what I really liked about them is the detailing and the size. My countertops aren't very big, so they can't really handle, you know, large cutting boards, but these are a little bit more on the smaller side, and I like to layer these up on my back countertop with some decor in front. They do come with a nice leather handle on top like this. They are perfect for everyday use for the kitchen, for serving trays as well. I also like to use these for food photography for our other business, and I just think they're so beautiful. They also have a nice natural rustic color to them. They're not too orangey, they're more on the cool neutral tone side, and I also like that they come in a set of 2. I thought that was really nice. They're a really great price, and they are made from mango wood, so they're really great quality. I don't put them in the dishwasher. I do wash them by hand only, and they've turned out wonderful. You probably have used these probably 10 or 11 times so far since we purchased them, but I love them. They're cute, they're stylish, and I also like to layer them up this way on my counter, or I can go this way as well. But these are a great find, so if you guys are looking for really good quality cutting boards, definitely check these ones out. Now, I am a huge sucker for vases and pots, and I came across this one from Bloomingville, and I thought this was such a cool and unique piece. This is a reactive glaze stoneware pitcher. I love the shape of it. I thought it's just very unique and different. I also really like the color. It's more of that grayish warm beige family, and you can obviously use this for drinks or flowers, but I also like to pop in my kitchen spoons and utensils that I use on a regular basis, and I thought this was just such a fun piece to have on my countertops. It's very affordable. It's about 4 pounds, so it does have a little bit of weight to it. I don't put this in the dishwasher. I do wash this by hand only, but it's just such a fun, great decor piece to have on hand, so make sure you guys check this one out. I absolutely love area rugs, and this area rug that I came across for my dining room is absolutely perfect. This rug is by the brand Lowly, and this is from the Adrian collection. And what I loved about this rug is that it has so many different colors in it. It's a little bit more darker. I thought it was perfect for underneath my dining room table. It can collect food and dirt, and the height stains pretty well. I love the pile of it. It's not a high pile. It's a very, very low to no pile rug. Very easy to clean, great with pets. So if you guys are looking for an area rug that you want to have on your dining table, definitely check out this one. I love all the colors that it has in it as well. I feel like this was a really easy way to kind of pull in new colors to our dining room without being so wild about it. It's just a very neutral and subtle way to add a little punches of color throughout our dining room space. Our rug for our dining room is in a 7x9. Our table is quite long, so I felt like this size worked perfectly, and I just love the way it fits in this space. I also felt like it helped carve out a nice dining room area when we added the rug. Without it, it just felt a little too naked and it just needed something to kind of help pull the space together, and this rug definitely did that. So if you guys are looking for a really good quality rug, definitely check out this one. So we recently finished our powder room bathroom on our main floor, and I was on the hunt for a really pretty antique gold faucet, and I came across this one on Amazon. This is from the Gigi Studies store. This is an antiqued brass 360 swivel faucet. This one is a 4-inch hole. It did fit perfectly on our 18-inch vanity, but I absolutely love it. I almost feel like the faucet is the star of the powder bathroom, but it's beautiful. It's really great quality. It came really well packaged as well. So if you guys want this type of look for your bathroom and you're looking for a really good faucet, definitely check out this one. I also love the price of it. I felt like it was very affordable for what's out there, and the look of it is perfect. So if you guys are wanting a nice, good antique brass faucet for your bathroom, definitely give these ones a look. I will link them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my top 5 Amazon home finds here on YouTube. If you guys like Amazon videos, don't forget to check out my other ones I have down below.